going to decorate the front of the house with florals, and they're going to cascade from that top window all the way down and frame the front door. So we're pulling pieces from what you would typically have at a ceremony and using them for their mini reception here tonight. Hi, I'm Corey Jarvis with Springvale Floral. So Nate and Kelsey were supposed to have a large 400-person gathering, and instead we had this intimate gathering. So we took their ceremony decor and conceptualized it for the reception. So here we have some yarrow, as well as some larkspur and delphinium. Here we have the loves of spring, peonies mostly, to decorate as they walk in, and then they get that burst of peony scent. We also have some Oronia here, and Nigella pods up here. And I love the idea of doing a tonal aspect for the colors and really speaking to the colors and letting them all shine without being too monochromatic. It's spring. Embrace all the colors that are there.
As we are moving into our new normal, we are given a really awesome opportunity to take something that we've already known works so well into something smaller that is tailor-made just for these couples.
Just because you are having a smaller wedding doesn't mean you have to have a smaller style. You can go big for your very intimate affair.
This is like literally a dream come true, and I'm so glad that we get to share it with this group of people. There has been so much done for us. We feel so loved by this, and like this is, I mean, like this front yard is like truly things that like I have like pinned photos of, like admired on Instagram, and never thought that it would be like any sort of reality. Like this is the happiest day of my life for the sole reason of getting married and getting to celebrate that in this way with all of you guys is pretty surreal.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.